microwavable take-out meal box by Dragonfly PH. Ang ganda niya and good quality talaga. Unlike styrofoam or plastic, this one is eco-friendly, toxic-free, and microwave-safe. Hindi lang yan. Aside from its simplistic design, madali din siya gamitin and it's very lightweight. It's made from all-natural paper cardboard material, kaya if you're into sustainable living, perfect to for you. Eto pa, this meal box is also waterproof, oil-proof, and leak-proof. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa, di ba? Eco-friendly na, reliable packaging pa. Kaya if you want a good quality food packaging for your business or you simply want a food container that will keep your food secure and fresh while you're on the go, try this Craft Microwavable Takeout Meal Box by Dragonfly PH. They also have other types and designs of food packages. Check out their shop for the full list. Order ka na din ha? Click the yellow basket on this video